Hello, friends. I attended a virtual mastermind on Saturday and it was so good. And I wanted to share some of the things that I learned so that we can thrive in 25. Yes, let's make this our best year ever as we discover more about ourselves and write the story of our life that we want, because we are the author of our story. And if you're not writing your story, somebody else is. So let's think about 2024 just for a few minutes. What were your failures from 2024? Distractions, excuses, didn't make time for yourself. And really, it's nice to dive in and learn from those failures. One of mine was distractions. I'm easily distracted. And there's so much information out there to learn, and I love learning. But sometimes that takes me off my path of where it is I really want to go with lots of detours, and then I'm not getting where I want. So that's one of mine from last year, distractions. So what are some of yours from 2024? And then what were some of your wins from 2024? And we want the small things too, not big, huge things, the small micros, because those add up. So even though I was distracted last year a lot here and there, I also did show up for myself more than I have in the years past. So what are your wins from last year? And I have a lot more. I'm just sharing one or two. So write down your accomplishments, what you did do last year. And if your brain says, well, I don't know, I want you to stand up and say, that's a lie. You do know that there is something that you've done, that you've accomplished, that you're a little bit better than you were the year before. So it's really fun to get it on a piece of paper, and always celebrate your wins. Number 3, what are the stories or thoughts that held you back? Do you know that it could just be a simple sentence that you've been telling yourself that's holding you back from the success that you deserve? So just checking in with what it is you're telling yourself, because we are the author of our story and it's our sentences that define it. So what were some of your sentences that were holding you back? Oh, I'll start tomorrow. I'm too tired. I'm not good enough. I don't have time. This is too hard for me. Whatever it is, identify those sentences and thank them for being there and what you've learned from them. And then start choosing new sentences that write the story that you want. So you've got your vision, right? You've got your why it is you're doing what your goal, why you're going to be 20 pounds lighter, why you're going to exercise, why you're going to eat healthier, why you're going to get more sleep, why you're going to drink more water. Get clear on that vision of what it is you want. And then start identifying the sentences that are going to get you there, because that's going to help you with your action steps. So all this information, just pieces of the puzzle to help you reach your goals, to help you become the version of you that you know is possible. So make your story the thing that impacts you and propels you forward and helps you achieve these different desires that you've had. So I want to share with you 2 more things that can help you get clear on your story and becoming the version of you that you want to be. And one of them is to write a letter to yourself from your future self 12 months from now. So that person knows your fears and your doubts and knows your challenges. And that person also knows what you need to do to press forward to work through them. So tap into your future self 12 months from now, which I'm pretty sure would be saying, you can do it. Make your plan, stick to it, plan your time, plan your food. I know you can do it. You do have time to do this. You are worth it, because what you're doing today defines your tomorrow. What you're doing today is going to define who you are 12 months from now. And you want to be better, right? We want better health, better vitality, better whatever else. Yeah. So get advice from your future self. And then maybe set a timer where you can check in a year from now and read that letter. And then our brains need reminders. So whatever you can do to put reminders of your vision. So at Date with Destiny with Tony Robbins, my husband and I went in December, and this is what we did. So I'll just share a few of these with you to give you some ideas. For the 6 days we were there, we dove into these different things and we became clear on what it is we wanted. So my mission statement, my purpose, and we want it short and sweet. My purpose is to be a light, to enjoy the journey, and to love myself and others. And then we talked about values, what we are working towards. And I'm working towards faith and love and connection, vitality and success. And what are my away values? Number one, overwhelm. No more overwhelm this year. Yeah. And so I'm working on that. And what am I doing? I've got over here in my goals for this year, I've got 4 goals. One of them is to plan my time weekly. So for an hour-ish on Sunday, I'm planning what are my meals for the week? What are my appointments? What are the other things I'm trying to do? And it's so powerful. That's how I succeed, and that's how I keep overwhelm out. So I'm committed to that. Planning, and then every night checking in. Okay, what do I have tomorrow? And doing the work because I want the result, right? So that's just one of my goals. And then these are they had some power virtues. I am statements are so powerful. I am committed. I am grateful. I am unstoppable. I am whatever else. It's so fun to say these every single day. And then here's my relationship vision. And then at the very bottom, what's my new primary question? So all of us have something that we tell ourselves over and over. And in the past, mine was, how come I can never get everything done? And my brain kept finding more evidence of that. Or every day I try to get it all done. Well, my list may be long and there may be a lot of things I want to do. And so, of course, I'm not going to get it all done. And the old me pressures myself, but you've got to do it all. Okay, no more. Because I'm planning my time and I'm doing what's possible. My new question is, how can I appreciate and celebrate the things I get done today? This, my friend, is changing my life. Again, no more overwhelm. Training my brain to focus on what is good and what is possible for me. So there are some tips and some ideas for you for becoming the better version of you. And it's so worth the work. So just take time to spend with yourself, to check in. What were your failures? What were your wins? What were the thoughts that were stopping you from succeeding? And what thoughts will help you to succeed this year? I am statements are powerful there. How can you make this story that will impact you? Get you a vision board, write you a letter to yourself. And coaches are invaluable in helping you. I have my results coach next week, and I'm so excited to meet with her and figure out my plan for the year with getting some more of these results that I desire and that I'm going to get because I'm determined. Go to my webpage, wellnesswithwendolyn.com, sign up for that free consult, and let me show you how I can help you get the results that you want. You are worth the investment. You are worth the time to do this. So many things I've learned that I'm so excited to share. And so the invitation is sent to come check out my webpage so you can sign up for that free consult. All right, my friends, Happy New Year. Happy New You. And we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.